Hello everyone, meet your financial educator, Edeline Ugariulino. A little background of me, I came from Cebu City, but presently residing here in Brunei with my family. I'm a housewife, a mother of three. I joined IMG last October 2018 and one of the financial educator of IMG. Today, I will discuss to you about the membership benefits of IMG. Bakit? Parami ng parami ang nagjo-join sa IMG because of its amazing membership platform. Okay, like from do-it-yourself home improvements, so yung may self-booking travels, di ba? Gawin natin sa sarili natin, shopping on AB and Amazon. So, like Costco and SNR membership, shopping landers, superstore, membership shopping, SM Advantage. Ganon din po ang IMG. Pag mag-member tayo, we can get perks and discounts din po. Okay, so far we have 48 benefits of IMG. So I will discuss to you today. All right, so the top membership benefits is the financial education of free ebook. So ang kagandahan dito sa IMG ay unlimited po ang ating learnings. Alright, so 1 and 2 is the free ebook, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future, and the financial workbook. And the 3 to 7 is the free financial workshop. So ang kagandahan ay meron na po tayong sariling portal if we sign up for membership. Doon po natin makikita itong mga workshops. Alright. And then, the free financial check-up. So, stay financially healthy with IMG's exclusive financial check-up. Okay, kung magpa-check up tayo sa ating physical, dapat din pa-check up din natin yung finances natin. All right. Then, number 9 is the exclusive members prize. If you want to have certification program for associate financial planner. Okay, malaki po yung mga discount natin dyan. And then the free gifts, di ba? Gusto natin ng mayroong mga free gifts. So up to 300,000 free personal accident insurance. So dito po sa associates to MD, 100,000. So if you are promoted to high rank, so lumalaki din yung ating free personal accident insurance. And then number 11, ito po yung Fidelity Life. You will be covered 50,000 for life insurance. Magbabayad lang po tayo ng 500 pesos one time. So then covered ka na ng 50,000. Diba? Ang ganda. And then the vision care for yung nagsasalamin po ay libre po tayo ng 2 pairs per year for the frames na, and then babayaran lang natin yung lens. Alright? Sa mga De Los Reyes Optical po yan. Okay. So, number 13, ito po yung free unlimited consultation for members. So, unlimited po tayo magpakonsulta sa Kaiser Medical Center sa mga members po. Okay. And then number 14 naman, discounted medical services for members and their immediate family. Diba? So, kung ganda pag member tayo, may unlimited consultation and discounted pa sa mga immediate family natin. Sa Kaiser Medical Center po yan. Alright, number 15 is, yon po rin ang kapakagandahan. Pag member tayo ay automatic na po tayo investor sa mutual funds. Ito po ay yung 1,000 natin from our membership fee ay ipapasok po yun sa initial investment natin sa Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund, one of the mutual fund company. Okay. So number 16 is the Kaiser, is the one of the partner of IMG na may long-term care, short-term care, and senior care. So i-discuss ko briefly lang kasi meron tayong separate na training for this. Okay. So Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. Ang plan po dito ay example lang natin ay K100 or 100,000. And the installment amount is 58,821 Dito po ay yung mode of payment natin, meron ding annual, semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly. And this contract price niya is 411,750. So yun po nga, dito ang sample natin is annual payment. So if you want to ask how much is the monthly, so you have to ask the person who invite you. Okay. So i-discuss ko one by one kung ano yung Kaiser. So Kaiser is 20 years plan po. Magbabayad lang po tayo ng 7 years. Okay. So you are covered in 20 years. And you will be paying only in 7 years. And the extended period, so it's a waiting period this time, 8 to 20 years. So 13 years yan. And for this illustration, so plan natin is K100. The lowest plan of Kaiser is K45 and the highest plan is K1 million. Okay. So, ano po yung benefits natin while paying? Ito po yon. Meron tayong annual physical examination benefits. So, libre po yan. And dental benefits. So, unlimited po tayo magpabunot. Ayun, kahit ubusin pa yung ngipin. Joke lang. Okay, waiver of installment due to death or credit life. So, we are covered in 20 years. So, sa life insurance po. Okay. And then waiver of installment due to disability. So, if you are totally disabled na talaga. Okay, ibig sabihin, mawi-waive na po yung remaining years. Even you pay only 2 years, then may mangyari, kunin ka ni God. Diba? Kung ibig sabihin, fully paid na po yung remaining years. And then the beneficiary will receive the insurance benefits. Okay. And then inpatient benefits, if you hospitalize, and member's choice of room and board, meron po tayong allocate na money for that. How much? Depende sa plan nyo po. Okay. Annual benefit limit of this plan is 60K. And term life insurance for 20 years. So accidental death and dismemberment for 20 years. Okay. So dito po tayo sa, kasi ang Kaiser po, for your information, is a 3-in-1 product. It has health care and life insurance and investment. That's why it called the 3-in-1 product. Okay. So tapos na tayo sa healthcare kanina, ano yung mga benefits. Dito na naman tayo sa life insurance. So you are covered in 20 years or until age of 70. So ano po yung matatanggap ng beneficiary o how much po? If natural death, and for this plan, if you get K100, so ang matatanggap ng beneficiary if for natural death is 450, but if accident naman, if namatay through accident, magdo-double siya, so 900,000. Ito po yung matatanggap ng beneficiary ng plan holder. Okay. So, ano po yung about the extended period? So, tapos na po tayo nagbayad in 7 years. Ito na po yung extended period natin. So, or waiting period. Okay. So, dito na papasok yung investment part ni Kaiser. So, bigyan tayo ni Kaiser ng 10% yearly health benefits. So, in this plan, ang 10% ng K100 is 10,000. So, ipapasok sa Visa card natin yan. Meron tayong parang Visa card. Bigyan tayo ni Kaiser if fully paid na tayo. So, gagamitin natin yan sa hospitalization ba o sa mga, wag nating igasta sa ibang purpose. So, ito po ay sa health po natin. Okay. So, if hindi natin nagagamit every year, so, nag-accumulate po yung money natin. Ibig sabihin, tumutubo siya kasi yung money natin na binabayad sa Kaiser ay ni-invest po sa mutual funds. So maganda pag hindi nagamit kasi nag-accumulate siya ng interest. Okay, so cumulative health benefits, ito na po siya in 20 years. And then the yearly health bonus, so may dividend na bibigay si Kaiser sa atin. If hindi namin nagamit, ito na rin yung money natin in 20 years. So 446,419. And then the long-term care benefit upon maturity, ito po yung kinuha natin na plan na 100,000. So ibibigay ni Kaiser yan upon maturity. Then the long-term care bonus naman upon maturity if no claim during saving period. Pag hindi ka na hospitalized during the 7th year, yung nagbabayad pa tayo. So ibabalik ni Kaiser yung 85% of our contract price. So 350,000. So maganda pag hindi mo nagamit ng hospitalization kasi ibabalik ni Kaiser. So ito na po yung total maturity value natin when our plan is matured. So naging 1,166,169. So meron din tayong option dyan. Pwede natin yan i-withdraw lahat. Okay, withdraw the entire maturity value kasi sa'yo na yan, money mo na yan. So considered cash yan. Pwede mo yan withdrawin lahat. Or withdraw only a portion of the maturity value. Or kukuha ka lang konti kasi gusto mong i-remain ang iba sa Kaiser para mag-i-interest pa rin siya or tumutubo. Okay, retain the maturity value with Kaiser or retain mo lahat kasi hindi mo pa kailangan. Kasi at this age, young pa siya nag-start kaya young din siya na matured. So, yung nag-matured yung Kaiser niya, yung plan niya in 42 years old. So still working at this time. So na-retain niya yung money niya kay Kaiser. And then nag-interest pa rin ng 10% per annum. So per annum niya, ito po yung 116,617. So nag-retain pa rin siya ng until age of 60. The money will become 6,483,800. So the interest per year, ito po. So nag-retain pa rin siya ng 5 years until 65. So the money become 10 million. So ito na po yung tinatawag natin na money working for you. Kahit at this time is a retirement years na natin, wala na tayong trabaho niyan, pero yung money natin ay nag-work for us. So ito yung passive income. Okay, di ba? Ang ganda ng Kaiser. So we recommend Kaiser. Bakit? Kasi nasusolve na yung 3 blocks of our financial house natin na mayroon na siyang healthcare, life insurance, and investment. So maganda talaga unahin natin si Kaiser to build our financial foundation. Okay, so this time, number 17, most 18. Ito naman yung tinatawag nating multiple option super term. So it's most affordable 18-year term insurance with PDF, Premium Deposit Fund. So PDF offers a very competitive rate of return with zero and negative and zero charges. So dito po 2-in-1 naman po ito kasi insurance and investment. So if you want to be covered in 1 million face amount, ang babayaran mo lang yung premium, example for the age of 30 is 5,710. So yearly po yan yung 5,000. So pinakamura na talaga yan. Then covered ka na ng 1 million. So ito yung cheapest talaga sa na affordable 18-year term insurance. So i-compare nyo lang kung meron kayong existing insurance, kung magkano, and then how much it's the face amount. Okay? So if you want to learn more about MOS 18, meron din tayong separate training for this. Alright. So, number 18 na po tayo, exclusive to IMG members. Bakit maggusto nating mag-member muna bago mag-invest sa mutual funds? So, we encourage you to be a member first of IMG before you invest in mutual funds. Bakit? Kasi dito po ay zero entry fee if you are a member of IMG. Ibig sabihin, pag mag-invest po tayo, wala pong ikakaltas ang mutual funds sa pera natin. So buo yung invest natin. Alright. Kasi pag diretso ka dito sa mga companies na to, like Soldivo, Atram, Equity, PhilAm, PAMI, Sun Life, pag dumiretso ka doon, meron po silang ikakaltas na entry fee. Okay. So maganda dito kasi meron din tayong free investment seminars. Yung nag-inquire po sa akin ng mga mutual fund investment, I encourage you po to be a member of IMG first. All right. And then access to stocks online trading platform. Ang partner ay si MyTrade. So access to ozone therapy at members price. May discount po tayo dito sa ozone sa mga anti-aging. And then one of the partner of IMG also is the Palawan Express Pera Padala. So pag member tayo, meron po tayong special rate exclusive to all IMG members and payment facility for IMG transactions. Okay, so dito na po sa mga discounts. Diba? Gusto natin mga mayroong discounts. So dito sa non-life insurance, like car insurance, travel insurance, meron po tayong discounts dyan. Pag mayroon tayong kakilala na gustong kumuha, meron tayong commission. Like also sa real estate, ganun din. Okay, ang partner natin si SMDC, Ayala Land, DMCI. And then special discount on memorial lots. And ito ay nasa Lipa, Batangas. Okay, so discounts on special courses like the want to write a book. So meron po tayong mga special discounts para sa mga experts. Okay. Sila po yung mga guru in these special courses. And then the 29 Everest Memorial Services, ito po yung tie-up sa Fidelity. Sila na po ang bahala if may member po namatay. So sila po ang bahala sa memorial services. Okay, then the 30 is Asset Preservation Service. Protect your assets by creating your own corporation. And the auto program, if you want to buy a brand new car, any color, any brand in the Philippines, so hassle-free, magpa-assess lang po tayo sa IMG and magkaroon tayo ng malaking discounts. And then ito po ang kagandahan ni IMG, binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na maging own a business, so maging entrepreneur, so become a financial educator, own your time, online system. So kagandahan kahit saan na bansa pwede natin i-reach out kasi online tayo. Okay? So help families achieve the income you want, become debt-free. So ang kagandahan dito sa IMG kasi binigyan tayo ng other source of income. Okay, so build your business worldwide kahit saan nga para ma-reach out po natin kahit saang sulok ng mundo basta may internet. Okay? And earn additional income, 50,000 or more extra income a month, di ba? Extra income lang kasi mostly nagwo-work naman. So ginawa si IMG part-time. So no quota, no selling, hindi tayo nagbebenta dito. We educate. Okay, you can start part-time. Yun nga sinabi ko kanina, mostly mag-start sa part-time. So ito po yung 12 powerful ways to make money in IMG. So di ba ang ganda, ang dami. So today, I will discuss only the number 1, the personal commission. Okay, so if you decide to do the business, you will learn naman lahat ito. Okay, so for now, I will discuss the number 1 only. So ito yung business ownership program and income projections. Okay, when you decide to be a member and get your own saving plan like Kaiser, you become associate. So associate, we have 20% commission rate. All right, so you have joint own share. Ibig sabihin, mag-member ka, own a Kaiser or most 18, then you have to share to your friends, to your family, the concept of IMG. All right. And example dito, pag kumuha siya ng Kaiser na may premium na 30,000, ito yung pinaka-lowest plan. And then you have 20% commission rate for that. So 30 times 20% equals 6,000. So if you do it in 4 weeks, ibig sabihin in 1 month, they have 4 weeks. So meron kang 4 na katao na matulungan. So you have income per month, 24,000. Then income per year, 288,000. Okay, so the next rank for you, marketing director. So you have to learn this when you attend Jumpstart. So paano maging marketing director. So ano ko lang yung pag increase yung rank mo or you will be promoted to the next level, magkaroon ka rin ng increase ng commission rate mo. Right. So if you want to decide to do the IMG business, we have a Jumpstart training for this. Okay, so maganda ba ang business program ni IMG? Diba? Ang ganda. So, part-time lang po. So, magkaroon talaga tayo ng increased cash flow in our in the future. Okay. So, just tell me kung nagustuhan nyo ang IMG business kasi we have to schedule for the training or the seminar. Okay? So, number 33, ito po yung pinakamaganda rin na travel the world. So, you have the chance to travel the world for free. Then, you attend conventions, crosses, and vacations. And world-class recognition, pag marami kang matulungan dito sa IMG, makompensate din yung efforts mo. Okay? So, ito po yung ring, pins, watch, and free car. So, and then at 35, the free HMO coverage for the MDs, SMDs, and executives. And member support dito ay kung ginagawa niyo ang IMG business, meron po tayong mga Domini tool. Ito, if you become IMG member, we have a members portal. So available anytime, anywhere. So i-check nyo yung magkano na yung mga investment mo at saka yung mga free gifts natin. Okay? And then the Domini tool, the newsletter and emails, and the NeuraCash. So yung gumagawa ng business ni IMG, yung commission natin, dito po ipapasok sa NeuraCash. Alright. So number 40, exclusive money platform. Meron din tayong ATM. Doon din ipapasok yung mga, like for the international members, doon may ATM tayo, doon pa ipasok yung commission natin. And then, exclusive events for international members also. Exclusive runs and contests. So, ito yung latest na membership benefits na international RFWs. Like, for number 43 to 48, ito yung more accidental benefit, burial benefit, accidental medical reimbursement benefit, acts of terrorism, and provoke murder, assault, accidental disablement benefit. So ito po, di ba? Ang kagandahan kasi kahit hindi ka nakuha ng life insurance, if you are a member of IMG, ma-avail mo na po ito. You are covered na po dito. Okay. Ito po ay international members exclusive benefits for OFWs lang po. So, ito yung mga detalye accidental disablement benefit. So, if you are a member, ito na po ang ating members portal. So, may sarili tayong portal. Check natin ang ating mga investment. Yun na nga sinabi ko kanina. Yun, check mo na yung mga free gifts mo at saka mga benefits. And then you can check also your commissions for your IMG portal. And we have a one-stop shop like on SM. We got it all for you. So dito, if you are a member, you can access healthcare, life insurance, investment, real estate, rural insurance, allied financial services. So di ka na maghanap ng agent, ikaw na po yung sariling agent sa mga financial industry. You can contact them directly. Okay? So be an IMG, you can with IMG you can become your own money manager. So you have to sum up lang po natin, healthcare protection, saan po tayo? Sa Kaiser. So kuha lang life insurance, meron din sa MB Life, Kaiser din, meron din yan. And then pay off our utang. So we have to decide to do the IMG business and we have to find our good environment. So IMG has a good environment, a positive environment because dito ay nagsisave, nag-invest at naging entrepreneur. So emergency fund, saan natin ilalagay? Doon din natin lagay sa mga mutual funds. And life investment, Kaiser meron din. So we have i-diversify lang po natin yung mga investment natin. Okay? So we add here increase cash flow kasi sa dami naman ng mga kailangan natin i-invest or 'di ba ang ganda ng maraming investment companies, pero pag isang source of income lang po tayo, short talaga tayo. So we have to increase our cash flow by doing the IMG business and the environment. So you have to encourage you to do the IMG business to add our source of income and to increase our cash flow. All right. So build your financial foundation faster. Okay? So ano po yung action steps natin? So we have to attend partial financial check-up and then become a lifetime member. How much po ba ang lifetime member? So dito po pinakita kung magkano yung masisave natin. So 'di ba ang dami. So malaki din, mga abot din ng 100 plus yan thousand. So magkano lang po yung membership for the Philippines? Base 5,500 pesos lang po. But for the international, 175 US dollar. So depende po sa country. So mayroon naman tayong listahan dyan, how much is the membership fee based on your country. Okay. So take actions, secure your future now. You will always have an excuse. So dami nating mga excuses not to save or invest. No matter what your excuse is, one thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year, di ba? Di tayo pabata ng pabata. No matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up and enter college and you would need money for his or her education. So paghandaan na po natin kahit bata pa sila ngayon kasi ang bilis na ng panahon talaga. No matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. So kailangan din natin maghanap ng passive income kasi ang income natin ngayon is active. If no work, no pay. So we need to have a passive income for our future. So you have to be prepared for these kinds of situations. Be with a group who inspires you. When the members of your group save, they will also inspire you to save. So ang kagandahan dito sa IMG, ang mga tao po dito ay nagsisave na. Alright. Control your future. The future is in your hands. If you want to be wealthy, Don't let other people do it for you. Do it yourself. So DIY talaga. Be your own money manager. Understand how money works. Make money work for you. Sabi ni Bill Gates, if you're born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Diba? Totoo? So, ano po yung next steps natin? We have to attend jump starts. So that we learn the business side of IMG. Okay, so we attend partners training. So ito po ay mayroon na po tayong mga webinars every day. Alright, so just ask the person who invited you na kailan po yung mga partners training or mga webinars natin. Alright, so like and follow our official page. Ito po yung official page ng IMG. And then thank you for today. Thank you for listening. Hope you learn a lot about the membership benefits of IMG. Okay, so train yourself to find the blessing in everything. So thank you once again. I'm Edelino Gariolino, your financial educator. Okay, thank you and God bless.